4th number function you make, students, LTRIM. Number D, LTRIM. LTRIM. LTRIM stands for left trim. Left trim. We will see an example and we will understand what is LTRIM. You write, I am giving the theory for this LTRIM. Right. Once you understand LTRIM, RTRIM also you are going to understand. LTRIM, left trim. Right. This function is responsible for, trim means what? Cutting, na? Trim means what? Remove or going to cut. So the function is responsible for removing the left given spaces or character from a given string. From a given string. Let's see an example. If the time of inputting a some data, or if a time of specifying a string, someone has given some spaces, that unnecessary spaces can be removed, or unnecessary character also can be removed. So let's see an example and understand. Select LTRIM. Here I am giving spaces also it can remove. You see now you will be able to understand. LTRIM, suppose I am writing anything, say Bhubaneswar. After that you give B from dual and see please what the output it is showing, then whether you understood or not, check. What we have written, select LTRIM, left trim, Bhubaneswar as the second, Bhubaneswar as the first string, and what to be removed? B to be removed. Obviously there will be a bracket here, function. So bracket, then from dual. Check. For practicing all these kind of function, we don't require to activate database. We don't require to activate database, that you remember. These are independent functions. What it is showing? Is it removing B from Bhubaneswar? No. Select LTRIM, then Bhubaneswar you have written, comma, then within single quote you have written B, then from dual. It's not removing. Okay, one thing you do then. Error, is it showing error? Okay, the other way you try, don't give the second parameter. Just before writing Bhubaneswar, give some gap and write. Let's see whether the spaces it is removing or not. It means we want to know how MySQL is, LTRIM is working in MySQL. Just provide some gap and see output, whether the spaces are getting removed or not. Removing, so that way it is working, it means. It is not removing the character, it is only LTRIM is working to removing the leftmost spaces from the string. Fine. So the theory what I gave, actually see, the theory what I gave that is correct, but it might be working in some other databases like Oracle or SQL. But in MySQL it is working to remove spaces only, leftmost. Same way you please try for RTRIM. Write the definition same way and try. RTRIM, right trim. Try to give some extra spaces right side and check whether it is removing or not. Fine. Next the number F you write. Concat. We'll see whether it is working or not. Whatever the situation, we have to write the theory, but concat. What the concat does? Concat means what? Merging, joining. The full form of concat is concatenate actually. How? Concatenate. The meaning of concatenate is Join, merging. Fine. So here how merging is working, let's see. Write the theory first. Right. Concat function returns character 1 with character 2 and both the character can be of any data type. Any data type. It means we came to know string also can be concatenated with number, and number also can be concatenated with string as well, and string also can be concatenated. Fine. Let's see whether it is working or not. I am also not sure. Make select concat all small students concat, then write something here, say suppose LIT and second string is Bhubaneswar, and see whether it is making it to one string or not from dual. One string I gave as LIT and the second string I have given as Bhubaneswar. We'll see whether it is working or not, whether the output is coming as LIT Bhubaneswar or not. Coming, so that is well and fine. It is supporting it, means please make the output as well. Output you can write here entire LIT Bhubaneswar. Yeah. So for merging two string we can apply concat function. So this is an inbuilt function of MySQL and it comes under character function. Next, so many are there. Next, number G. Let make LPAD. Be little bit faster students because these are very simple things. So we should not waste time for this. LPAD. LPAD. Fine. LPAD. Make the theory first. LPAD returns expression. LPAD returns expression, comma, left padded to, L stands for left. So left padded to length n characters, with sequence of characters in expression 2. Fine. Let's make the example for this. See, these are very kind of temporary calculations we are doing. This kind of answers should not go to the database. That because of always we are taking the help of dual database. So the answer for dual, if in interview anyone asks, you can answer like this. Any kind of temporary calculation just in screen it's supposed to appear. We can take the help of dual database. So it is a temporary and database table given by the MySQL, you can say. So make select, then the function name, that is LPAD, within bracket. Suppose I need something to be written like this. See, I need something to be written like this. LIT, after LIT that's supposed to be 5 star. What my motto to do? My motto is to print LIT immediately followed by 5 stars. So how can we make? See, first LIT to be taken as expression 1. In theory we have written something expression, the first one. This is expression 1. Then how many star we need? How many star we need? 5. So let's write 5. And what to be printed? Star to be printed. So second expression will be star. From dual, obviously we have to try it. check, let's see, I'm not sure whether it is working or not, supporting or not, please check. Select LPAD, then the first string, and the number of times the second expression is going to repeat, that also you have to write. Then what to be repeated, then from the one. Is it working? Okay, fine. I don't know where you are going to use them, but these are there in MySQL, that's why I'm teaching. Don't get confused and think that where to be used this thing. So these are there, that's why I'm just giving them. How it is coming, the output? First of string. Yes. We have written LPAD, LPAD. So before it is giving. So please write the output. However you saw, you write in your copy. It is something like this. Sorry, I made it mistake here. It is something like this. How it is giving? The Sony? It is working in some other way. Means it is, we have written here 5. So entire it is taking 5. And out of 5, how much is occupied by LIT is left, as well as the rest of the things are given as star. Fine.